A great use case for our Zapier integration is using Zaps to pull information in real time from GoSquared smart groups into Google Sheets. From here, you can collect data on recent marketing campaigns, see your latest churned customers, build a lead pipeline, and many more options. In this example, we're going to use Zapier to pull data through on my smart group of customers who have successfully converted from a recent Facebook ad campaign. The first step is to define our smart group in GoSquared. To do this, I search the filter Original Campaign Name and define my social ad campaign. I also specify that the completed number of transactions is to be greater than 0, so I'll only pull data through for converted customers of this particular campaign. I save my smart group and name it clearly so we can find it easily in Zapier later on. Next, we'll head to Google Sheets to build the spreadsheet. We give the sheet a title, then in the columns of the sheet, we'll set which fields from our smart groups we want to draw data from. Once that's done, we can now head to Zapier to build our Zap. We'll select GoSquared from the list as the triggering action, and we'll select the specific trigger as whenever a user enters a smart group. Next, we clarify which specific smart group we want to draw that data from by searching from the list and selecting the group we created earlier. Zapier allows you to run a test at this stage to make sure the GoSquared smart group has been located successfully. We can now configure the action to be triggered in Google Sheets. I select Google Sheets from the list of app events and will select to create a spreadsheet row and then select the connected Google Drive account. Then, we'll select the spreadsheet we created earlier in Google Drive by selecting from the drop-down. Within the Worksheet section, we'll match the properties of the smart group into the columns we pre-prepared earlier in Google Sheets. If I need to, I can add new columns in Google Sheets if there's any additional data I've decided I want to collect. I just add the new columns into Google Sheets, then head back to Zapier, refresh the fields, and add the properties from my smart group to the relevant columns. I can run a final test to check the data populates my sheet correctly before I set my Zap to go live. And it's as simple as that. My Zap is now set up to pull through real-time data into the spreadsheet, so as soon as a prospect from my recent Facebook campaign completes a transaction and converts into a customer, they'll automatically be added to my sheet.